What's up, guys? Kerry here, Mystery FB Skater 91. I got a package from Flat Face Fingerboards. All right, let's get into it. Let's see what side is it. Oh, okay. All right, you get to see what's in there first. Holy crap. Stickers. Oh my god, the bag. That's it. Okay, first off, we have a flat face Simon Says sticker. We have a flat face, I don't know, because this is my first time getting flat face. I think this is the Zeph sticker that I've been seeing so many times. And the OG Dots flat face sticker. And the Oak Wheels. Oh my god. Oh my lord. I got the Oak sticker pack. Hell yeah. Oh yes. And the product itself. Keep that, it's like a little barf bag. Oh my god, dude. Look at these things. Dude, they are so sick, dude. I don't even know if that's focusing. I don't care, dude. Oh. Let's see. Words can't describe how I feel right now. I'm literally just getting back into fingerboarding, like officially, like the right way. That is so cool. And then, yummy. Look at those, dude. Let's see if I could do like they do in the picture. Oh god, that's so hard. That's what she said. Jesus, they're kind of sticky. Let's see. Boom. Look at that. Let's get a close up. All right. Close up. Look at that. Focus. There we go. Let's get the fours. All right, look at that. Sexy. All right, let's set these puppies up, dude. Been so ready. Been waiting for well, I got delayed in the snow. They got delayed. Can you believe that crap? Just my luck. Where's my tool? Oh, an update on my dynamic trucks. Do not grind on the ceramic tile or else you will snap the axle, the hanger. Ceramic tile is not good with fingerboarding. Much rather use marble, which is my custom broken marble edge, which parking blocks turned it into like a flat bar. So, all right, let's set these up. Taking off the old Joy Colts. I'm either trading them or selling them. They're still pretty good. The hype is real, you guys. Green in the front. Green means go. Ah, yes. Yes, indeed. Wow. Looks snazzy. All right. Off you go. Yellow also in the front. These look smooth already. Oh god. Dude, I'm such a noob right now. Like, I literally just started officially fingerboarding. I used to play with tech decks a lot, on and off, my whole life. Building cardboard ramps and had a couple tech deck ramps, but never actually an official fingerboard, so still getting hyped like a little kid for Christmas. And I don't get much for Christmas, and I have a job, so I'm actually able to treat myself, so I'm happy about that. And yeah. Oh my god, look at that. Let's see. Oh, might need some breaking in. They're definitely gonna need some breaking in. Let's do the screech test. Yes. Oh my god, kickflip first try. Yeah. Tray flip. Oh, dude. Alright, that's it. Got the oak stickers with the wheels, flat face dots, Zeph sticker, flat face orange slime, I guess. I don't know. Simon Says. That's it. Thank you.